Hello YouTube modelers, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank all my subscribers and viewers for tuning in. So this is my announcement into the 2023 NASCAR Group Build hosted by Jeff Model Garage and Fred Henry. So as you can tell, I'm not whispering because sometimes I make my videos at night and I can't really talk too loud because everyone's asleep, but today is daytime, no one's in the house, so I can scream and modulate my voice as much as I can. So I bought an open box from eBay. This will be my donor kit, so sorry you Dale Earnhardt fans, it will not be the Terminator or Intimidator number 3. I am very familiar with this kit because this is the same kit as the Mellow Yellow. This is my display windowsill for all my current builds, and eventually I will have to rotate them because you can tell I'm running out of room. So I'm very familiar with this kit. It is open box. It's a great price, but unfortunately when you add in the shipping, the cost came out to be okay. Here are the decals I ordered from Mike's Decals. They are power slides, so they should definitely be going good. So here they are. Decals, City Chevrolet. Unbuilt, still bagged, tires, clear plastic. Everything seems to be there, but I won't know until I actually do it. So this is the donor kit. My only regret is that the actual City Chevrolet kit was molded in a lighter color. So that would be more appropriate because, as you know, I have to paint it fluorescent yellow and green. So I'm going to have to use white primer. Hopefully that will cover the darker molded color, and then I could paint the fluorescent color. One thing I also realized too is that in bidding stuff for some of these kits, the Lumina kits, some of the releases actually came with a driver and a tool chest. This one did not. So if any of you guys happen to have an extra NASCAR driver for Monogram 124 scale, let me know. I would like to include a driver in this one, but I bid on one that did not. I think on the lower right hand corner they actually show, includes driver and tool chest. I just need the driver. So if any of you guys have an extra driver, let me know. Okay, so that's it. That's my announcement for the build. I know it doesn't start until February 5th, so in the meantime I'll just look into where I can buy some acrylic fluorescent yellow and green. So that's it for now. See you guys.